Welcome to my channel Cognitive Kids. Wake up early in the morning. Brush your teeth twice a day. Take a bath every day. Eat healthy food. Study and do homework. Help others. Say please and thank you. Play outside. Keep things clean. Sleep on time. Wash your hands regularly. Say sorry when you make a mistake. Cover your mouth when you sneeze or cough. Be friendly and respect others. Take care of your toys and books. Recycle and don't litter. Speak the truth. Respect elders. Be thankful for what you have. Learn to share. Comb your hair neatly. Wear clean clothes every day. Flush the toilet after use. Avoid junk food. Sit properly while eating. Use kind words. Include everyone while playing. Be careful while crossing roads. Use things carefully. Don't waste food. Always try to do your best. Don't touch dangerous things. Help parents at home. Read books daily. Try new things and never give up. Drink plenty of water. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel for more learning videos.